Hey guys! So first and foremost, this video is sponsored by RedRestore. We do want to send a big shout out to them for sending out the RedRestore laser caps. Now, the RedRestore laser cap is FDA cleared and clinically proven to restore hair growth and regenerate the hair follicles, promoting new hair growth.
As you can see
on Gino's head, he's had some amazing results with this laser cap, and he's been using the laser cap for
right about 8 months now.
About 8 months now. Gino's been using the RedRestore laser cap for about 8 months. I personally didn't use it, but this is definitely great for females who are having some issues with, areas, edges. Honey, if you're having issues with edges, this is definitely for you. So Gino shall show you guys how he's been using the RedRestore laser cap, and he's gonna tell you about his personal experience. I've seen a major improvement in his hair. Personally, I've seen a lot of hair growth. So Gino's gonna share his story with you guys. He's gonna tell you all about his results, and yeah, all right.
First off, I want to send a shout out to RedRestore because my hair is coming back. And I can't tell you how much confidence that builds. It didn't build so much confidence, I decided to grow my hair back out, which I haven't did for a while. So one of the things I really noticed is the thickness. My hair is getting a lot more thicker, which is one of the reasons why I cut my hair off in the first place, because it was very thin and it was brittle and it was falling out. So, once I started using this product, I'm starting to see the new growth and I'm seeing the thickness in my hair. So it's giving me the confidence that you need sometimes.
Where are you seeing the hair growth?
My main areas were up in here where my hairline was waving bye-bye. So that's where most of the new hair growth has been coming in, but the thickness has been coming all through the top. Hair loss is an issue that a lot of people deal with, and a lot of times you feel helpless, like there's nothing you could do. There is a lot of products out there. I haven't tried a lot of products myself, but I have tried this one, and this one works. It's been working for me. If it works for me, it can work for you.
So I've personally noticed a lot of hair growth for Gino, especially in this front area. Like, he's seen a lot of new hair follicles, a lot of new hair growth there in those areas that are really helpful. And also, like, there's a small area here where he was having a little bit of thinning. It wasn't really that bad, but that part is fully filled in. As you can see, his hair is like fully grown in back here in this area. So I saw a lot of growth back there, but mainly what we were really concerned about was this front area where we did see a lot of improvement in his hair growth. So as far as the RedRestore going, like, if you are on the fence about using the RedRestore, laser cap therapy, then I would say give it a try, because first of all, not only has it worked for Gino, but what I also noticed is that they have like a 12-month money back guarantee. So
you ain't got much to lose.
There's nothing to lose with this.
More hair.
Right. Except more hair. So if you definitely want to go ahead and get your Restore, you need to click the link down below so that you can grab yours today. I mean, to be honest with you, like Gino just said, if you want to keep losing hair, then don't do anything, right? But
sit there.
Just sit there. Don't do anything. But if you want to start growing your hair back, if you want to see results, you can't not take action. You've got to take action. You've got to get your RedRestore laser cap right now if you want to be able to see results within, even Gino saw results as soon as...
I think the 3-month video, we started seeing a lot of results.
Yeah.
And after the 8-month, now that we're here, just the thickness. And like I said, it gave me another sense of confidence to grow my hair back out. So that says a lot. You don't want to sit there and keep on waiting, because all you're doing is losing hair.
Exactly. Also, I'm going to put the links for the previous videos that we did. We've been updating on this for about 8 months now. It might be a little longer than 8 months, but what we noticed, like I said, we noticed a lot of growth in Gino's front line area, where we really were able to see on his 3 or 6 month update, we were able to see new hair follicles growing. So I mean, we saw some major changes in his hairline, pulling back in, coming back in, and the reality of it is that you're already losing hair. So I mean, you have nothing to lose but more hair, right?
Yeah,
so
it.
You want to take action. You want to go ahead and you want to start placing your order for your laser cap therapy right now. Like I said, it is FDA cleared and it is clinically proven to promote hair growth, new hair follicles as well. And I mean, there's really nothing to lose. So really quickly, I want to show you guys, Gino, I want, Gino to be able to demonstrate with you guys how easy it is to use. Like I said, there's really nothing to lose when you get your laser cap hair therapy because this is such an easy system to use. It has a 12-month money-back guarantee, and you already losing hair. So you want to go ahead and you want to improve your results by getting something that is actually going to work. Like I said,
it's going to work.
It's definitely going to work.
You got to make sure that you are putting time in, effort. I would say the biggest struggle was, for me, you just got to get in a routine of doing it every day. And
right.
And that's where you're going to see the best results.
Exactly. And now, also, I wanted to ask you, when you're using the laser cap, do you notice any sensations or any heat or anything like that? Any allergic reaction? I mean, come on.
Nah, you don't really notice anything. It gets a little warm, but it's not like a burning sensation or anything like that. And it's like 7 minutes, right?
Yeah, between 7 and 10 minutes this runs.
I think it's 7.
7 minutes, and it automatically turns off when it is done. So you won't be overusing it. It won't allow you to go over the time unless you decide that you want to, push the button again.
Double it up with some of y'all cats.
Right, so this is great for men and women. Again, if you want to get your laser cap, then you definitely need to click the link in the description box so you can get yours at your discounted rate as well, because this system really does work. Gino's going to show you guys how easy it is to use it.
Get that hairline back, bro. Start catching your wife's attention and stuff. Trust me, it worked for me. So basically, have it plugged up. See the blue light? All you gotta do is, there you go. Hair's growing right now, bro.
So you're gonna disconnect that from the wall source, and then it is gonna automatically run for 7 minutes. Like, what you want to do, you want to put this cap above it. This gives you the opportunity to be portable with it. So let's just say you are running out the door in the morning time and you really need to go to work. You can just pop this on your head, take it out of the wall unit, and then go get in the car, do what you got to do. It's going to work for 7 minutes, and then it's going to turn off. And then you're not going to be looking crazy. Now, the only thing, with this line passing through, but...
Yeah, but they have a little holder that you have that you could,
There is also a holster so that you can use it, while you're walking around if you want. If you're going to, your son or your daughter's baseball practice or something like that.
On your morning commute to work.
On your morning commute to work. You can certainly wear this for the 7 minutes. It's going to automatically turn off. And then, of course, you're going to start to see the results really quickly. Gino saw results on our first update video. I will put a link so you guys can check those videos out so you can go back and see the results that Gino has really had. I mean, Gino went from having like a lot of pushback here, and now his hair is like it's coming in, it's in, boo. So you're gonna see the results. You definitely don't want to wait. You have nothing to lose at this point. Your hair is already receding. You already got a hole in your head. It's time for you to get your results right now with this FDA cleared, clinically proven system that is going to help you start regrowing your hair. So you want to go ahead and click that link down in my description box right now. You want to get started today because, again, it's a 12-month money-back guarantee. And you want to grow hair back, so.
Yeah, shout out to RedRestore for helping me with my confidence with the hair. Like you guys know, nobody wants to look older than they really are. So
absolutely.
Shout out to RedRestore, man. I appreciate it, man. Y'all need to jump in on this now.
Absolutely. Okay, guys. So I definitely want to thank you for watching. We will check you guys later. I'm probably sure we will come back with our 1 year update after Gino has used it for a whole year, because like I said, there is a 12-month money back guarantee with the RedRestore. So you got nothing to lose but all that hair on your head, right? So start gaining it back, gaining back your personal confidence when you get your laser cap today. Okay.
You might end up growing your hair back out like you had it. You dig?
Right. You might actually grow back your confidence because your hair is there. Right? You might have to stop going to the barbershop to get that cut, to get that razor cut.
George Jefferson.
Right. So yeah, definitely grab it now. Link in the description box. let them know that we sent you over, and I can't wait to see your results. Let me know in the comments down below what your results are with your laser cap therapy from RedRestore, because we know that you're going to see great results as well.
Most definitely.
All right.